In this video, you'll learn the best way to use eBay effectively. This guide will cover how to create an optimized account, search for items, and sell products successfully on the platform. Start by creating a fully optimized account profile. Visit the eBay homepage and locate the register button in the top left corner if you're a new user. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you submit this information, a confirmation email will be sent to your inbox. Follow the instructions in that email to verify your account. After verification, log in and navigate to your account settings to set up secure payment methods like PayPal or credit cards. Familiarize yourself with eBay's buyer and seller policies, which can be found in the help section. Explore categories that interest you and take note of the fee structure to understand how it may affect your transactions. Next, enhance your shopping experience by using advanced search filters. When searching for items, enter keywords in the search bar and click search. On the results page, utilize the filters on the left side to narrow down your options by price, range, condition, and location. This will help you find the best deals available. Additionally, monitor your watch list regularly to keep track of items you're interested in. When considering a purchase, compare prices using sold listings, which can be found by selecting the sold listings filter. Clear communication with sellers is essential. Do not hesitate to ask questions if you need more information about an item. After completing a transaction, remember to leave feedback for the seller to contribute to the eBay community. If you are interested in selling items, maintaining high customer service standards is crucial. Start by listing your products with detailed descriptions and high-quality images. Once you receive an order, ship it quickly and upload the tracking information promptly. Competitive pricing is important for attracting buyers, so research similar items to set a fair price. Monitor your performance metrics, which can be accessed in your account dashboard. This will provide insights into your sales, shipping times, and customer feedback. Staying updated with any platform changes or new features is essential to remain competitive and improve your selling strategy. When uploading items, ensure that you have sufficient storage space for images and that your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions. Large files may take longer to upload depending on your connection speed, so check your file sizes beforehand. Additionally, be aware of eBay's listing limits, which may vary based on your selling history. This helps in planning your listings effectively to maximize your selling potential. As you navigate eBay, keep in mind the importance of security. Always use strong passwords and enable two-step verification to protect your account. Regularly review your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. Understanding eBay's policies and procedures will help you avoid potential issues while providing a smooth experience for both buying and selling. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.